Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Dialogue's YouTube channel. I'm Ben.
And I'm Lily. We're happy you're here to practice with us today.
Today's topic is maybe the most famous topic in the world. People talk about it every day, everywhere.
It's true. It's the safest, easiest thing to talk about. The weather.
The weather. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it raining? Let's talk about it. But first, Lily, good morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, thank you. A little sleepy, but good.
Sleepy? Did you not sleep well?
I slept okay, but when I woke up, it was so dark and cloudy outside. You know that feeling. It makes you want to stay in bed.
Oh yes, I know that feeling very well. A gray, cloudy morning. It feels like the day hasn't really started.
Exactly. So I made a big cup of tea and I put on my cozy sweater. That helped.
Good plan. See, we're already talking about the weather. You just told a small story about the cloudy morning. That's how easy it is.
That's true. It's just a natural thing to say. It's so cloudy today, or it looks like rain.
Right. So let's practice. What are some simple things you can say about the weather? Let's start with basic words. Hot, cold, warm, cool.
Those are the easiest. It's hot today. It's cold outside.
Perfect. And if it's in the middle, you can say, it's a nice day, or the weather is pleasant.
Pleasant is a good word. It means not too hot, not too cold, just nice.
Now, what about rain? Rain is a big topic.
It is. You can say, it's raining, or it looks like it might rain. If it's just a little rain, it's drizzling.
Drizzling. I like that word. It sounds soft. And if it's very, very heavy rain?
It's pouring, or it's a downpour.
Okay, my turn. What about wind?
It's windy, or it's really windy today. If it's just a little, there's a breeze.
A breeze. That's nice. A sunny breeze. So we have the words, but how do we start a conversation with someone? A coworker, a neighbor, someone at the bus stop?
The easiest way is to just make a comment. Just say what you see. For example, you walk into an office. You can say, wow, it's really sunny out there.
And then the other person will probably agree. They might say, I know, beautiful day. And as you can see, the conversation has started. It's that simple.
Or if the weather's bad, you can say something like, this rain is something else, huh? And they will probably say, yeah, I hope it stops soon.
It's like a small social agreement. You both see the same sky. You talk about it. It's friendly.
It is. It makes a connection. Do you have a funny weather story, Ben? A time the weather surprised you?
Thinking, then chuckles. I do. Last summer, I was planning a picnic in the park with friends. A big picnic. We had sandwiches, fruits, a blanket, everything.
Sounds perfect.
It was a beautiful morning. Bright blue sky, not a single cloud. I said to my friend, perfect picnic weather. We were so confident.
Oh no, I feel a butt coming.
A big but. We got to the park, we put our blanket on the grass, we opened the food, and then we heard thunder, a loud boom.
No.
Yes, we looked up. In just 10 minutes, the beautiful blue sky was gone. It was dark gray. The wind started. It was like a movie.
What did you do?
We grabbed everything, the blanket, the food, we ran to our cars, and just as we closed the car doors, it started pouring. I mean, really pouring. We ate our picnic in the car.
That's a great story. So your perfect picnic weather changed very fast.
It did. It taught me to always check the weather app, but also it was a funny memory. We still talk about it. Remember the car picnic?
So the weather gave you a story. That's another good thing about talking about the weather. It leads to stories. One time I was in a storm, or I remember a beautiful snowy day.
Exactly. It's a gateway to other conversations. Okay, so for practice, let's do a little role play. I see you at a coffee shop. We don't know each other well. I want to say hello. I'll start.
Okay, I'm ready.
Clearing throat, friendly tone. Hey there, quite a windy day, isn't it?
Smiles. It really is. My hair is a mess. Hopefully it comes down later.
Yeah, I hope so too. Well, have a good one.
You too. See? Short, friendly, easy. No pressure.
Perfect. That's all it needs to be. So for everyone listening, the weather is your friend. Use it. If you don't know what to say, look outside and say something about it.
It's the easiest conversation starter in the world. Everyone understands it. Everyone has an opinion about it.
And it makes you sound friendly and natural. So next time, try it. Beautiful day, isn't it? Or stay dry out there.
We hope this gives you a little more confidence. A small talk about the weather can lead to a big smile.
Thanks for practicing with us. Stay warm, stay cool, whatever your weather is.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.